a new install. As you can tell, these lights are out. We're about to swap them out with the new bad boy. They almost look like the hybrid lights. We're gonna be installing these and plopping onto the car. With me, we got Gavin. The before, after. Alright guys, we finally finished. Check that out. Jeez! I think they look pretty good. These are sick. But yeah, that's about it. Shout out to Gavin for helping me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Pretty self-explanatory. Just a couple bolts, and that's it. See you guys next time in the next one.